Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Webull Screener, a powerful tool designed to help you find and analyze stocks based on specific criteria. To get started, log into your Webull account and navigate to the Screener section. The Webull Screener allows you to filter stocks by various parameters such as market cap, dividend yield, and moving averages. Begin by selecting the market you want to screen, such as the US or Hong Kong market. Then, choose the type of stocks you want to screen, including stocks, ETFs, or options. Next, apply filters to narrow down your search results. You can filter by fundamental data such as revenue growth, net income, and return on equity. You can also filter by technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. For example, if you want to find stocks with a market cap of over $1 billion and a dividend yield of over 4%, you can apply these filters and the screener will return a list of stocks that meet these criteria. You can also save your screens for future use and set up alerts to notify you when stocks meet your specified conditions. To further refine your search results, use the advanced filter options. This includes filtering by industry, sector, and geographic region. You can also filter by analyst recommendations and earnings per share. Best practices for using the Webull Screener include starting with broad filters and then narrowing down your search results. It is also essential to backtest your screens using historical data to evaluate their effectiveness. In conclusion, the Webull Screener is a valuable tool for investors and traders looking to find and analyze stocks based on specific criteria. By following these steps and using the screener effectively, you can make more informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.